I've had that experience where I was or what I was doing, I just wanted to wander from it. I wanted to do something different, but nobody was doing this stuff. Nobody in my field was doing this stuff. So I would come to my mat. Has anybody seen, what's that movie? Garden State? Yeah. See Garden State? Like, I feel like I'm like, right? Like, do something creative that no one in the world has ever done before. I would fall into that samskara, that behavioral samskara. I'm like, I feel like I want to do a sun salutation, I think, but I always do that, so maybe that's just because I'm used to it. And standing at the edge of that abyss and kind of, calling out into it, waiting for an echo, like, what else do I do? If not this that I have always known, then what? And sometimes it would become very kinetic, like out of nowhere I would just be like doing all these big moves, and some of them were kind of weird, but it was very exploratory.